Hey guys, we're here with Matt, Full Drive Super Show, Adelaide. How you going?
Yeah, pretty good, mate.
Pretty good. We're going to do a very serious, in-depth rig rundown. So run us through your car.
Okay, so first of all, it's a Land Cruiser Ute. It's a dual cab, so I need the back seats for extra room. I've got kids. I'm running
How many kids you got?
6.
Wow, you fit 6 in a dual cab. I thought they were 5-seaters, but that's awesome, man.
Yeah. They're all spread out over 2 hours. But yeah, so I'm running some black tyres here. I don't know what size they are. They just come with the cow like that. The rims, I just sprayed them gold with rattle can. They were pink, but I changed my mind there.
Oh, it looks good, man.
I've done a full chassis swap here, so I'm actually running a 75 series chassis, but I've upgraded to the spiral red leaf springs.
Wow, okay, there you go, guys. So that's I didn't know about that.
Yeah, and I've actually deleted my shocks, so that way I get more flex.
Shock deleted, there you go. I've never heard that before. You guys are changing the game and literally changing the game by deleting shocks.
Yeah, you don't need them.
Oh, easy. Now, what's this thing here?
That there, that's actually my exhaust.
Oh, no way.
It's a 4-inch exhaust. Most people put snorkels here, but I like to see the soot, so
yeah,
it comes out the front there.
That's another new one. Snorkel, exhaust as a snorkel.
Yeah, and I put the snorkel down here, so it sucks in all the air straight off the tyres. So
all the dirty air, beautiful. Just how you need it.
Yeah, nice and efficient. Good for the turbo.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Now, what engine here? Is this a 1 litre petrol? What do we got here?
It's a 2 litre petrol. I've upgraded from the 1 litre petrol. I've spent 40 grand on the block building it, and it's actually twin turboed and supercharged, making 1100 kilowatts.
Oh wow, okay.
At the front wheels, because it's front wheel drive.
Front wheel drive only, nice.
Did a tail shaft delete kit in the desert.
Tail shaft delete, okay. Very nice. So obviously looking, almost stock standard as you'd expect. Anything else in here that's going on?
There's a couple little bits and pieces. I decided to upgrade this from the plastic, so that's aluminium now. This here was solid before. I drilled a few holes in it, lets a bit more air through.
Oh yeah, 100%. What are these? Are these spray cans? What are these?
They're actually Coke cans, so that's where I store my drinks. That one there's actually for the wiper bottle fluid, so you're gonna actually adjust it there how much soap you want.
Oh, see, that's awesome. I didn't realize that.
Pump too, which most of them don't have. So.
Oh, I didn't realize they had that much modification. So what do you got here on the front here? What's all this stuff?
So I got a set of spotlights here. They're the 9-inch spotlights. And this ball bar here, that's actually custom built. I did custom build that myself. Painted it, got it all looking schmick. The headlights, I've upgraded them. These are actually out of a Suzuki Jimny. They actually directly fit in, and they got these cool red lights. They can go red and blue, but sometimes the cops don't like that, so you just got to leave them red.
Yeah, no, it looks good. It looks nice in factory, just how you want it, man. Now, is this is obviously plastic here, not laser cut at all, is it?
Nah, that's definitely not plastic. Definitely not laser cut there. It's not plastic either. I've actually made it out of wood, and I've just hit that out with a chisel, just like slowly, got there and then.
Yeah, it comes up well.
That's just a black Sharpie. I just coloured it all in, so it looks like black paint, but it's better than black paint.
Only the best quality here.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, on the side of the rig now. What are you done here? What's happening here?
So I've got these clear view things here. I don't know what they're for. The mirrors on this side here. There's something on that side too, but I like this side here. It's just because it makes it easy. When you wake up in the morning, you got to do your hair.
Oh yeah. You got to do that mullet, 100%.
Oh yeah, you got to brush it, comb it. It's all the time and effort, but it's worth it.
Yeah. So it's a mirror facing the wrong direction.
Yeah, but it's also good. It acts as a rear view mirror for the people in front of you.
Oh yeah. I like it. All right, so what's this down here?
That's my snorkel, the stainless steel snorkel. So that's coming over around to the other side.
Yeah, as standard.
I've got a stock standard Toyota tray.
Oh yeah. How much did that set you back?
Oh, it wasn't much. I think it was like $1,000 if that, and it come with the free mud flaps, custom mud flaps.
That's a win.
And it was actually built for the rear suspension, for the leaf spring conversion. So I'm loving that.
I think you're one of the only people that have done a leaf spring conversion from a coil car.
Yeah, well, you sort of got to get out there and be different to everyone else, otherwise everyone's all the same.
Oh, 100%. Guys, go out there, be different, be unique. That's what take-home message. All right, so what's happening here at the back?
I've raised the tow bar.
Oh, okay, you've raised that.
I've reverse raised it. It was too high before, so I've actually lowered it 300 mil.
Wow, 300 mil, that's a lot. That's quite a lot.
Yeah. Like normally it's way up here, and it's like who's going to do that? Who wants that?
Oh, yeah. Unrealistic. And obviously, like, that's too much clearance off road, so you want to lower that down.
Yeah. You need something to stop you from going too fast along the tracks.
Oh, yeah.
I've got what used to be the fuel tank here, but I've actually washed it out and turned it into a beer keg. So I don't actually need to run a fridge on the back. That's why this is good.
There you go, guys. That's actually full of beer right there.
I've got the aircon rerouted through the chassis and actually comes through here, through that flat bit of steel there, and it cools the beer. So it's set at that perfect 2 degrees.
Guys, game-changing technology yet again, as you expect from these boys. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. Serious questions only down below. What's your favourite mod on this car? Anything you'd like to add?
I think that sums it up pretty much.
Yeah, pretty accurate summary of this rig. So if you want to come see it, it's at the show. By the time this video is up, the show's over, so don't come here.
Yeah. I've actually forgot, I've actually got window tint on this too, so that's not standard.
Oh, of course. Oh, and your car keys, where are they at?
Yeah, they're still in Bordertown. If you're coming from Bordertown to the Adelaide show, send me a message, I need them.
He needs them back, guys. This car's not moving. You might actually still be able to come and see it because it's not going to be moving because there's no keys. Can you chuck his key in your car? Same car?
Almost.
But the whole wire.
Mine's the dual cab and his a single cab, so it's not compatible.
Yeah, obviously, guys. Dual cab, single cab, it doesn't work like that. Well, Easy, we'll put it there. Thank you so much. And guys, come check him out. Easy. See ya.